Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Determine the length of FD if the area of triangle DEF is 96 inches squared and the area of triangle ABC is 96 inches squared. Okay, not only are these triangles similar, but what else are these triangles? Similar means that there is a common ratio between them. But now we're seeing that they have the exact same area. So these triangles are not just similar, they're congruent. They're the same triangle. The length of CA is 14 inches long. So CA, the letter placement does matter for the vertices to describe the sides. CA is the side from this last letter to this last letter is 14. And they're asking us for FD, the length of FD. So, I mean, there's no work to do here. FD equals 14. That's it. You could just immediately get to that answer. So what would you type in for this answer? You would type in 1, 4. That's it. Now, if you needed to work this out and draw a picture, maybe they aren't congruent next time. Okay. So let's draw a picture. Now we know it's not to scale. A, B, C, D, E, F. The area of this triangle is 96 inches squared, and the area of this one is 96. Then CA is 14. Then how long is DF? Well, there's the problem. Now, if we were going to do this the long way, we'll use that the ratio of the areas is A squared to B squared. That's going to be 96 to 96. Before we take their square roots to look at the ratio A to B, I'm going to reduce 1 over 1. So, if A squared over B squared, and it really doesn't even matter which one's A squared and which one's B squared, equals 1 over 1, then A over B equals the square root of that. What's the square root of 1? 1. Okay, so if A over B equals 1 over 1, and let's just say little a goes with this triangle and little b goes with this triangle, okay, and we have a 14 with this guy, so 14 is to b as 1 is to 1, and again, this is totally not necessary, but the product of the extremes is equal to the product of the means. Here's my extremes, here's the means. Even if you mix them up, you still get the same answer. 14 times 1, 14. B times 1 is b. Little b is 14. This is representing the side length that we're looking for, 14. Ooh, totally cut off the bottom of the page. My apologies. Good thing it was easy numbers that I was talking about. So, if you had other numbers written, I would suggest you read this over. It was supposed to be a freebie question, so definitely take some time to read this over, and I hope that this makes sense to you now.